Hey guys, welcome to my channel Makeup Simplified. In this video today, I am going to show you what's my current nighttime skincare routine. So follow along. Alright, so guys, for the face wash, I've already washed my face using the Tula Skincare Probiotic Face Wash. This is like a very, purifying face wash, and it's great after using makeup. Like when you take makeup off, this is a great one to kind of get rid of all the dirt and grime. It's very soft on the skin, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna strip your oil from the face or strip hydration from your face. Immediately after the face wash, I'm going with the Fresh Rose Toner, and this toner has rose petals in it, and it is very deeply hydrating toner. You guys must know that I really love rose-based toner because they're ultra hydrating and the smell is just so good. And what I like to see always is like the rose smell is not overpowering. Nope, it's a very gentle smell. You can either, if you have oily skin, you can use a cotton pad to swipe it off, but I just like to pour some of it on my hand and then just dab it onto my face for some extra hydration. Nighttime is all about hydrating your skin really well. Because for 8 hours almost, you're not drinking any water, so your body is not getting the hydration. So this is a good way to hydrate your face. You should also apply moisturizer all over your body at night because that is essential, especially during night times. Don't forget your neck area, don't forget the back of the neck, all those areas you want to deeply moisturize. Now, I recently started noticing that the lactic acid was becoming a little too much on my skin, so I wanted to go gentler and I went with mandelic acid by my very favorite brand, The Ordinary. So I just took a couple of drops and I'm gonna just use my fingertips to put it on my face.
Mandelic acid is gentler than lactic acid, and it's very good for people with sensitive or dry skin. In addition, mandelic acid also has antibacterial properties, so if you have acne, it's really beneficial.
Whatever excess, I'm just gonna rub it on my hands. Now, one of the reasons why I wear this headband is because my hair tends to get oily, and whatever skin products I'm applying, if I sleep with the headband on, it doesn't get into my hair, and that really helps it from getting too oily the next day.
I'm going in with the Glossier Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's a super bound serum.
It has hyaluronic acid in it and vitamin B5. So this helps to make your skin really plump and really hydrated the next day. It's very gentle, lightweight, and doesn't feel like I'm applying too many layers of some skincare product on the skin. It's easily absorbed, like it's already absorbed. And you need just a couple drops. So this is the first time I started using Glossier products, and there's no going back. I really love their products.
It doesn't have any sticky residue, and I've actually even applied it during daytime before makeup. As the days start to get cooler and drier,
there might be some days when I feel the need to get some extra hydration, extra moisturization for my skin, and then I will use just a tiny bit of this Fresh Deep Hydration Oil-Based Serum.
So I am layering two serums together.
I'll show you what I do every night with it. Because it's a little oil-based serum, you can use it to massage, do like a little facial massage with it. So I've applied it. And again, even though there are certain layers of skincare products underneath it, it doesn't feel heavy at all. I'm going to take my gua sha tool, which I use at least 4 to 5 times a week, and then I'm going to do some gentle, quick massage techniques on it. Now, I've explained in detail how to use the gua sha tool in this video I've linked below, and check it out. So you can do that every day with me, and you can actually follow through the exact steps and do it while you watch the video. And this rose serum really provides the perfect glide to my gua sha. So a quick massage every day is really good. There are no side effects to gua sha tool unless you scrape your skin with it, but really you can use it almost every day. After you put one product, you want to wait at least 10 to 15 seconds to put the next product because you want to give time to your skincare products to absorb into the skin.
After the gua sha application, I'm going in with the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Cream. This is great during winters or once the weather starts to get cooler. You need very little product to apply it all over your face.
So it's important to match your skincare routine to the season and change it as the weather starts to change, as the seasons start to change, because your skin needs to adapt to that new season with appropriate skincare products, because otherwise you will have skin breakdown or like enlarged pores or things like that. So once it starts to get cooler, you want to change the skincare products from like lighter skincare to a little heavier products depending on what your skin is able to tolerate. Oh, by the way, use some of the cream on your earlobes to kind of massage it also. And finally, my favorite product of all these is the Biossance Vitamin C and Rose Oil.
This product is great for all skin types because it is in a lightweight oil formulation and it doesn't leave any sticky residue on the skin. There's vitamin C and rose oil in it, both help with brightening of the skin. So I had used a sample of this product a couple of months ago and I had to get a full-size one. It is so good because I just love it. It's a little pricey, but it is so well worth the price because your face will be moisturized and glowing.
And whatever excess I have, I always like to hydrate my hands because, since I'm a healthcare professional, I wash my hands too many times a day. So I want to make sure that it gets a very good hydration so that it doesn't start to break up. Moving on to next, I'm going to show you the eye cream that I've been using lately and I really love is the Biossance Squalane plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. I have been loving it a lot. This is a sample size that I received and I can't wait to get the full-size one.
I really bought a full-size one right after I finished filming this, and one important thing about this cream is that you can use it in the morning as well as your night routine, so you basically just need only one product.
And finally, we're going to talk about a lip mask or a lip moisturizer or lip balm. You can use a heavy based lip mask at night, and Laneige lip mask has been my favorite for a few years now, but I just wanted to try some other lip mask, and this Fresh lip mask again is great. It has a little bit of rose smell, which I love. It's called the Petal Soft Lip Cream. The fresh lip balms that come in the bullet form is great also, but at nighttime I like to use the bullet ones. They are tinted ones, so you can use it just by itself during the day and they're perfect for using during the day, but this one is great at night. And while we are on the topic of hydrating our body at nighttime, I want to talk to you about what I really love using on my body at night. And this is the Old Whaling Company body butter. Any kind of body butter is fine, but I like to use body butters at night for sure. I still will go for products that are a little lightweight, even though it's a body butter. If it's lightweight, then I love it. And then you just apply it at least on the areas that tend to get dry. So you want to definitely apply it on your arms, on your elbows here, forearm and hands, like I said. Definitely on your legs also you want to apply. Another place that you should really apply is the back of your shoulders. We don't realize how dry it could get, so just like kind of go and rub it in there. But use any kind of moisturizer, moisturizing lotion or body butter on your skin at night before you go to bed, and your skin will love you for it. I hope you guys enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment box below. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you press that bell icon so you get notified of all the videos I post online. Follow me on Instagram at make.up.simplified and tag me in your stories. Bye!